Today is Monday, June 7th, 2021. How can the value of responsibility help you get better at Aikido? Hi, my name is Erik Calderon, and I've been doing martial arts since the age of 5. At 20, I moved to Japan in 1991 and began focusing on the art of Aikido. In Japan, I read the Book of Virtue. Well, where is it? It's right here. I read the Book of Virtue, which had a huge impact on my level of Aikido. Today, we'll be talking about responsibility and how it can help you get better at Aikido. Responsibility comes from the Latin responsus, which means to respond. There are actually a few different definitions of the noun. One popular definition is the state or fact of having a duty to deal with something or of having control over someone. Doesn't that sound like a situation that we experience every second while we're on the mat? You're dealing with an attack, and you have control over that person because they're attacking. Another definition, the state or fact of being accountable or to blame for something. Another perfect example of every second we're on the mat. You can't blame your partner if the technique isn't working. And another one, the opportunity or ability to act independently and make decisions without authorization. Every time you perform a technique, you're acting independently. When I walk onto the mat, I do it to learn Aikido, not to be someone else's punching bag. I don't walk on the mat to get hurt or injured. We are responsible for our partners while we train. If I trust you as my partner, then I'll put more energy into the attack with less caution, allowing you to focus more on getting the technique, getting better at Aikido. If I'm worried that you might hurt me, then I'll pull my punches and focus more on protecting myself from injury. I was actually told to do this at several dojos. If you don't take ukemi, you're going to get hurt. To me, that's an excuse to not accept responsibility for the technique. How can you focus on giving an honest, sincere attack with power if you have to worry about protecting yourself from the technique? My great aha moment was when I actually attacked someone with all my force and they actually threw me. I lost total control, I didn't take ukemi, but I landed safely on the mat without being injured. That opened up my mind to what Aikido could be. Now, do you actually think someone that's truly going to attack you in real life would pull their punches and take ukemi? How can accountability help you get better at Aikido? Be accountable if the technique doesn't work. Be accountable for your partner's safety. Be accountable for improving your techniques. This value helped me get better at Aikido, and I hope it'll help you get better at Aikido. Please hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell for notifications when I upload new content, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.